Stop thinking all rivers are safe, there's one that's deadly hot. Welcome to the boiling river where even the bravest animals don't survive. Let's find out why. Deep in the Amazon rainforest, there's a hidden river called Shene Timpishka. The water here isn't warm, it's steaming. If a small animal falls in, it can get cooked alive in seconds. But here's the real mystery. There are no volcanoes or hot springs nearby to explain this. Scientists are still trying to figure out what makes this river so incredibly hot. Some say it's the Earth's inner heat escaping through hidden cracks. Others believe it's powered by something we haven't even discovered yet. No matter what, the boiling river is one of nature's strangest mysteries. Would you dare to visit? If you love wild mysteries, subscribe and hit the link below for more amazing facts.